a.m. January 26, 2015. The quietest I have ever heard New York City. Well, I guess right after 9/11 also. But all traffic was stopped at 11 o'clock except for emergency vehicles. So eerie. That's Times Square down there. One of the busiest streets in the entire country, West 57th Street, totally deserted. Look at that. Just spoiled by noisy passerby. Police car. Uh-oh. There's actually one car there that's totally illegal. Now traffic's been shut down. He thinks I'm filming him, going to turn him in. He's wrong, but he doesn't know that. Something tells me we will not be hearing Gag tonight at Cargill. Although, oddly enough, they only canceled the Monday one so far. We're hoping maybe they get things cleared out, I guess. But, it was a police car. Wow, this is so eerie. The snow is actually not wrong. The wind is not as bad as they have said yet, but it is only about 12:30 in the morning. I think it's coming a little later than they thought. But it's quite a bit of snow and falling continuously. I think it's actually on the wind as well. This may be one of those awful videos where I'm whistling wind and I'm just muttering. Incredibly, our 24-hour grocery store is actually open. I don't believe it. I'm not going to try the patience. I don't know why they didn't send their workers home, but maybe they're emergency staffed. Blizzard? What Blizzard? The Kingside restaurant and bar is still serving. Maybe people who are crazy enough to come out of this weather. Like me, I guess. Checkpoint. Very serious about people not driving on 6th Avenue, apparently, as I stumble into No wonder I stopped. Okay, that was a rather large wall there. I'll stop now.